If you are trading on Bybit and still losing money or feeling stressed every time you open the chart, this video is for you. Today, I will show you how to use Bybit Trading Bots to automate your trading, remove emotions, and trade with a clear system instead of guessing. This is not a get-rich-quick trick, and it is not a scam. It is a practical tutorial that helps you trade more consistently. Make sure you check the link in the description because I also share a Bybit referral code that gives you fee rebates and a welcome bonus. Why most traders lose money? Let's be honest. Most traders don't lose because they don't know indicators. They lose because they are human. Fear, greed, FOMO, revenge trading, overtrading, all of these destroy your account. You enter too late, you exit too early, or you hold a losing trade hoping it will come back. Even if your strategy is good, your execution is bad. That's the real problem. What automated trading really solves? A trading bot does not magically predict the market. What it does is execution. It follows rules without emotions. It does not panic when price moves fast. It does not chase green candles. It simply executes a predefined strategy 24/7. This is why automated trading is powerful, not because it guarantees profit, but because it removes emotional mistakes. What is a Bybit Trading Bot? A Bybit Trading Bot is a built-in tool that allows you to automate your trades directly on the Bybit platform. You do not need coding skills. You do not need external software. Everything runs inside your Bybit account. You stay in control of your funds at all times. The bot only trades based on the rules you set. Types of Bybit Trading Bots. There are several types of trading bots on Bybit, and each one serves a different purpose. Spot grid bots are designed to buy low and sell high within a price range. They work best in sideways markets. DCA bots help you average your entry price over time instead of trying to catch the perfect entry. Futures grid bots apply the grid strategy to futures trading with leverage, which increases both risk and potential reward. Martingale bots increase position size after losses, which can be very dangerous if you don't fully understand the risk. Important warning before using any bot. Before we go into the setup, I need to be very clear about one thing. No trading bot is 100% safe. No bot guarantees profit. If someone promises guaranteed returns, that is a red flag. Bots are tools, not money machines. Used correctly, they can help you trade more consistently. Used incorrectly, they can destroy your account faster than manual trading. Why Bybit is reminded for bots? Bybit is one of the most popular exchanges for automated trading because it offers built-in bots, flexible settings, and good liquidity. You don't need to connect third-party bots or give API permissions to unknown platforms. Everything is integrated and transparent. This makes it much safer for most retail traders. Setting up your Bybit account. If you don't have a Bybit account yet, use the link in the description and enter the referral code 50REFUND. This gives you a fee rebate on both futures and spot trading and also unlocks a welcome bonus up to $30,000 depending on your deposit and trading activity. This alone can save you a lot of money on fees if you trade regularly. Accessing the Trading Bot section. Once you are logged into your Bybit account, go to the Trading Tools section and select Trading Bots. You will see different bot options available. Don't rush. The biggest mistake beginners make is clicking Create Bot without understanding what they are doing. Choosing the right bot for your goal. Ask yourself one simple question before choosing a bot. What kind of market are you trading? If the market is moving sideways, grid bots can perform well. If you use leverage, futures bots require strict risk management. Never choose a bot just because someone on social media shows profits. How grid bots actually work. A grid bot places multiple buy and sell orders at different price levels within a defined range. When price goes down, it buys. When price goes up, it sells. Each small move generates small profits. This works best when the price moves up and down within a range. If price breaks out strongly, you need to manage or stop the bot. Common mistakes with grid bots. Most people fail with grid bots because they choose a range that is too narrow or they use too much capital. When price leaves the range, they panic. A grid bot is not fire and forget. You still need to monitor market conditions and adjust when needed. Understanding DCA bots. A DCA bot spreads your entries over time instead of entering all at once. This reduces the risk of entering at the top. It is useful for long-term strategies, but you still need to control position size and stop conditions. Why risk management matters more than strategy? You can have the best bot settings in the world and still lose money if you ignore risk management. Never use all your capital in one bot. Never ignore stop-loss rules. Always assume the market can move against you more than you expect. Bot settings that actually make sense. When you set up a bot, do not blindly follow default or AI-suggested settings. Always understand 3 core parameters. The price range defines where the bot operates. If the range is too tight, the bot stops working quickly. If the range is too wide, profits become very slow. The number of grids controls how frequently the bot trades. More grids means smaller profit per trade, but more trades. Fewer grids means bigger profit per trade, but less frequency. Capital allocation decides how much money you are willing to risk. Never allocate all your funds to one single bot. Stop loss and when to turn off a bot. One of the biggest myths is that bots run forever. This is wrong. You must define conditions where the bot stops. If the market breaks strongly in one direction and no longer respects your range, continuing to run the bot is dangerous. Turning off a bot is not failure. It is risk management. Professional traders stop systems all the time. Why most people think bots are scams. Most people lose money with bots not because bots don't work, but because they don't understand market conditions. A grid bot in a strong trending market will struggle. A martingale bot without capital limits will eventually blow up. When people lose, they blame the bot instead of their settings and expectations. What realistic expectations look like? Automated trading is not about doubling your account every month. It is about consistency and survival. Small daily or weekly gains compound over time. The goal is not to win every trade. The goal is to avoid big losses that wipe you out. Bots help you do that by removing emotional decisions. Who should and should not USC trading bots? Trading bots are best for people who cannot watch charts all day, people who struggle with emotions, and people who prefer rule-based systems. Bots are not for gamblers, people chasing fast profits, or anyone who refuses to learn basic risk management. Security and control on Bybit. One important advantage of Bybit Trading Bots is that your funds remain in your exchange account. You are not sending money to a third party. You can stop the bot at any time. You can withdraw funds at any time. This gives you full control and transparency. Common questions about Bybit bots. Many people ask if bots work during market crashes. The answer is that no bot is immune to extreme volatility. During major crashes, it is often better to stop bots and wait. Another common question is whether bots work with small capital. Yes, but profits will be small and fees matter more, which is why fee rebates are important. Why trading fees matter more than you think. When you use bots, you trade frequently. Fees add up quickly. Reducing fees has a direct impact on your net profit. This is why using a referral code that gives you fee rebates is not a bonus, it is a strategy. Bybit referral benefits. If you use the link in the description and sign up with the referral code 5OREFUND, you get a rebate on trading fees for both spot and futures trading. This means every trade your bot makes costs you less. On top of that, you unlock a welcome bonus that can go up to $30,000 depending on your activity. This gives you more flexibility and more margin for error when learning. Final advice before you start small. Test one bot. Observe how it behaves in different market conditions. Learn how price interacts with your chosen range. Adjust slowly. Never scale up just because you see a few good days. Consistency beats excitement every single time. If you want to start using Bybit Trading Bots the right way, use the link in the description and enter the referral code 50REFUND to get fee rebates and the welcome bonus. This directly improves your trading results over time. Subscribe to this channel if you want more videos on automated trading, bot strategies, and risk management. In the next videos, I will show advanced setups, common mistakes to avoid, and how to combine bots with market structure for better performance. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Trading involves risk and you are responsible for your own decisions. Use bots as tools, not as guarantees.